This is Channel V8X, and today, you're not just watching a car, you're witnessing a black beast unleashed. Meet the 2026 Ferrari Roma, finished in deep, mirror gloss black, pure dominance on four wheels. This isn't just luxury, this is power dressed in elegance. And trust me, you're not ready for what's coming next. Front view, aggressive tone. Let's start with that front view, low, wide, and absolutely menacing. The sculpted hood, those razor-sharp LED headlights glowing like predator eyes. This machine doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Every line screams speed, every reflection hits like a spotlight. This is the kind of front end that shows up, and everything else just fades away. Side and back view, flow plus power. Slide over to the side profile, and now you see the real artistry. Clean, flowing lines, aerodynamic perfection. This is where Italian design meets American-style attitude. Long hood, tight curves, aggressive stance. This car looks fast even standing still. And then, the rear view. Oh yeah? Those sleek taillights, that wide stance, the quad exhaust energy. It's not just a look, it's a statement. When this car passes you, you don't just see it, you remember it. Interior/dashboard, luxury flex. Step inside, and the dashboard hits different. Digital displays glowing, premium leather wrapping every surface, carbon fiber accents. It's like stepping into the cockpit of a private jet. This isn't just driving, this is commanding a machine. Everything is built around the driver. Every detail whispers luxury, but screams performance. Engine view, raw power. Now let's talk about the heart, the engine. A twin-turbo V8 monster sitting under that hood, ready to explode with power. This isn't just engineering, it's pure adrenaline in mechanical form. You press the throttle, and it doesn't move, it launches. Highway and night shots, cinematic energy. Out on the highway, this black Roma becomes a blur of speed. The road bends, the engine roars, and everything else gets left behind. This is freedom at 200 plus km/h. And at night? That's when it transforms. Neon lights reflecting off the black paint, glowing like liquid metal. This car doesn't just drive through the city, it owns the night. Showroom presence, premium feel. Even standing still in a luxury showroom, it dominates the room. Spotlights hitting that glossy black finish, reflections dancing across the body. This is not just a car on display, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Price mention, authority tone. And let's talk numbers. The 2026 Ferrari Roma comes in at around $250,000 plus, depending on specs. Yeah, it's expensive. But this isn't just a purchase, it's an experience, a symbol, a lifestyle. You're not buying a car, you're buying presence, power, and prestige. Outro, strong call to action. So if you felt that energy, if your heart raced even a little, you already know what this machine is about. This is Channel V8X, where power meets passion, and legends come to life. Stay fast, stay hungry. And we'll see you in the next one. Fire.